Good afternoon, everybody. Mike here, TTK Small Engine Repair. We are located at 54398 County Road 657. That is exactly 6/10 of a mile south off of Red Arrow Highway, located centrally between Paw Paw, Lawton, and Mattawan. Our phone number is 731-298-1702. Put out previous videos about making adjustments on your scraper blades using the skid plates or Snowslide shoes here. You have one on each side of these snowblowers. It is vital that you keep an eye on your scraper blade. This is one I just pulled off a unit. The outer bolts were gone because I ground the nuts off because it was riding on the body. This is, I'm hoping I can get a good picture for you to see what it did to the auger housing. You can see the difference here, how much of the auger housing that ate away. Left side isn't quite as bad, but it is there. And so we're going to put new shoes on it, new scraper blade. We'll get him all taken care of. Now, this one here, we've got the head off, everything else. As you can see, what had happened on this, and I don't think we can get a good picture of this. This unit ran great until you tried to push snow, then it lost power. And you can see the valve springs in there. They're supposed to be on the exhaust side, which is this one right here. There's supposed to be 0.010 of a gap between there and the rod that pushes against that. There wasn't. I did a leak down test on the unit. She was just blowing air right out the exhaust. So I took the valve out, ground 0.010 off. Now we're just waiting for a head gasket, etc., to put it back together. But make sure your scraper blades on your snowblowers are properly adjusted. If you're running on asphalt or pavement, this thickness or that of a paint stick is sufficient. If you're running in gravel driveways, that's how thick I set them, or how high I set them. So, but we'll work on just about anything. Shoot, I even got an ode. I think this is kind of cool. This is a very old Aaron's, what is that? RT214 rototiller. Come in, gas tank was flopping all over the place. We had to re-secure the gas tank for him, tune it up, get some gear lube in it, oil change. It's kind of a neat unit though. I love seeing old stuff that still runs. But on that note, Christmas is right around the corner here at, from all of us here at TTK Small Engine Repair, my wife Marcia, myself, and the rest of my family, we want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know a lot of you are going to be traveling. We just ask that you slow it down, take it easy out there. Bring everybody home safe. Life is short. But we hope you enjoy the holidays. We hope everybody has a grand old time. And on that note, if you have any questions or concerns, my number is 731-298-1702. Remember, properly adjust your scraper blades. Save yourself some repair cost. So on that note, that's pretty much all I've got. We're getting caught up here. I'll finish up those two snowblowers hopefully this week before Christmas. But if If you have any questions, concerns, give us a call, 731-298-1702. Again, we want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Marcia and myself to the rest of my family. We thank you for your business. We thank you for your support over the years. We're truly grateful for each one of you. And we've been very blessed by many of you. So take care. God bless. Bye-bye.